Hello crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. To create this adorable pen topper, I'm using a 1.5 inch polystyrene foam ball and a craft cutter. I'm going to cut about less than 1/4 inch of it, and I'm going to smooth it down with a sand block. In this step, I'm going to place the ball over a bottle of paint, and I have a scrap sheet of black foam. It is 2 millimeters. My iron is on a cotton setting, so I'm placing a piece of fabric, letting it warm up, and it's going to start to curl. That's an indication that it's ready, and you're going to gently place it over the polystyrene foam ball and just pull down. Now I'm going to cut off the excess, and with hot glue I'm going to put little dabs of hot glue onto the polystyrene foam ball and just flap over that foam sheet so it could stay in place, and then I will trim off any excess foam sheet. In this step, I placed the ball over a 2 millimeter black foam sheet. I'm going to trace around with a toothpick. I need to know exactly how much to cut, since this will be the bottom of the pen topper. I don't want this piece of foam sheet to be so thick, so I will iron it and place it onto the pen topper. Create a hole onto the polystyrene foam ball, insert the pen, and you are now ready to glue down that covering. But first you will cut a little hole in the center, enough for it to fit the pen through, and glue it with a little bit of hot glue. Insert the pen, and we're ready for the next step. I'm using super tight all-purpose universal glue. I love this glue because it buys me time as opposed to using hot glue, and time is what I need to place the boa. So if you're interested in super tight, don't forget there's a link below with a 15% coupon code, so go check it out. And we are ready to wrap the boa all the way around. For this project, I'm using my Sizzix Circle die cut. It is the smallest circle, and I'm going to just quickly cut the bottom in a circular motion. Now I'm going to use my super tight all-purpose universal glue again. Also, this glue is non-toxic, it's completely safe. And I'm going to glue those ears onto the pen topper. And now let's add a bow. Now this step is optional, but I did trim the boa down a bit. And this glamorous Minnie Mouse pen topper is complete. What do you think? I absolutely love it. Tell me below if you're going to be making one of your own. Also, give this video a big like. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and visit my Etsy shop. Well, until next time, and God bless. Bye-bye.